If you've ever wanted Moxie Lashes, keep watching. It's my agenda where we think highly of ourselves and we're kind to others, because if we aren't, then who will? I got some Moxie Lashes. I will be linking my playlist of lashes up here. So if you're interested in different styles, different types, make sure you check it out. These are on the more expensive side of things. So I did get them in my BoxyCharm box. And I also got a set for add-ons. These are hopefully going to be amazing. I heard that they are pretty similar to Glamnetic, which again, I will link a video for Glamnetic lashes up here somewhere. Glamnetic lashes are slightly cheaper than Moxie Lash, so check those out. We're about to get into the application. This video is not going to be too long. If you're interested, stay tuned and hang out with me. So, removing the packaging, this is pretty nice. I like that it comes in a little zip bag. You can reuse this bag and easily just keep all your stuff together. Now, the reason I'm excited about the Moxie Lash is because they come with these little Q-tips that help you remove the eyeliner. Unlike any other lashes that I've used, I have not seen that, and sometimes it is a pain in the butt to get that magnetic lash line off. So this is really nice. Let's open the bag up. All right. And we do have the liner removers. They look like Q-tips. They're not actually Q-tips. They're individual little things. I think they're oil-based. They have oil on them, so it helps really remove that eyeliner. Comes with an instructional pamphlet. You guys already know that ain't me. I don't like to read. But it does just kind of show you how to put them on. And yeah, pretty simple. With that being said, it also comes with a small Moxie Lash liner, the magnetic liner. And then I have already taken a look at these lashes, but it comes with the Sassy Lash. It says that they are one pair of 100% mink lashes, 30 reusable all-day wears, handcrafted with care. And then it also gives some instructions on the back. So we are going to line our eyes and then get into how they feel and how they look. Now, like I said, I have glanced at these, so they're not, there we go, lined them back up. They are actually very, very pretty. They're not too full. They're kind of wispy, so I like them. As usual, I am going to measure my eye and then snip these and apply them to my look. I prefer a more natural lash look, so you do want to make sure that you're paying attention to the shorter lash. This will be going on the left eye, and then the same with the other side. The shorter lashes go on the inside. As you guys know, I like to wear my lashes further on the outside of the lash. I just think it makes them look a little prettier. So I am measuring. Actually, I may not need to snip these. I don't think. We'll see. I'm going to line the eye and then we will see if I need to snip these or not. I do see one weird stray hair. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. It's very light. It's right there on the end. That's going to irritate me, so I just pulled that off. They're really soft and fluffy though. I like that. All right, so the packaging is like exquisite, super beautiful. I am gonna also be using my Bad Gal Bang mascara to go in when we're done applying to kind of set and mesh everything together. So let's go on and get into this eyeliner. I have gotten better with liquid eyeliner thanks to wearing lashes, magnetic lashes. Liquid liner is not my friend. So it does say Moxie Lash on it. It's pretty cute. Super tiny. I wonder if other magnetic liner will work with this. Wow. I have to say the formula of the liner is kind of thick, which scares me. Also, the brush is not very thin. It looks kind of, I don't know. Let's see. Well, it should work out. I do think that you could easily make a mistake with this just because of the shape of it and the thickness of the product. Oh yeah, look at like how, ooh. Now I'm even more scared. I was just talking about how bad I am with liquid liner, and well, this is coming out so thick. Let's just kind of jump into it. And luckily they do have the remover, so if I need to remove anything, I'll be able to very easily. All right, coming in close. And I like a thinner line, so I'm just pulling across the bottom lash. All right, and when I feel like I'm gonna mess up, I just back up a bit because I don't want to make a big mistake. Oh, well, the tip does let you be pretty precise. That's nice. All right, y'all. It's not gonna be perfect. Ooh, it is so thick. I don't know if I like that or not. The corner of the eye. Thin, thin, thin. Now I do like the tip of this brush. It allows you to be very precise with the tip. That's nice. I don't like the formula of this liner though. It's thick and chunky like creamy. I feel like that allows you to make mistakes a lot easier than some of the other liners I've used. We are definitely about to go in with this little remover thing. All right, this is what they look like. We're gonna clean the line up a bit and then work on the other eye. Oh, that's nice. Look, it has a seal, like a break mark in the middle. So you can just, I guess, pop it right. Oh, that's exactly how it is. You twist and then look, it just kind of like pops and comes apart. Wow, I like that. Moxie Lash gets a point for that. Okay, so just clean up the top of the line. Is it coming off? Oh, it is. But it's taking off my eyeshadow too. Uh-oh. That's okay. You can go back in with that. So, other than the thickness of the line, I have to say I'm pretty pleased. This remover is really handy. It is oily, I can feel it. Now these are awesome. I'm gonna save this just in case I need it for the next eye, so I'll put that to the side. And I am just gonna use my brush that has like residual translucent powder on it, and I'm gonna just dab to try to get rid of some of that oiliness. Okay, and I am gonna go back in with my fingers for the makeup that I removed. Okay, we're gonna line the other eye, and then we're gonna get to attaching our actual lashes, which I'm excited about. I am going to try to not put as much product on here and attempt to pull in one line. Y'all wish me luck. Cross your fingers, Lord. Ooh, Lord. Down, down, and just pull. Whoop. Down, and just pull, 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 pull. Oh, well, that didn't work out so nice. Bombed it. It's okay. We'll fill this in, and then we'll just go back in. Lord have mercy. Y'all, I'm terrible at this. Their formula is really thick. On top of me being terrible at it, I don't think the formula really helps, because I don't have this hard of a time with the other liners that I've used. I mean, I'm not typically great, but definitely not this bad at it. Know if I'm doing it wrong. Maybe I have a bad batch if this is how it's supposed to be. I don't know. Clean up that line. Oh, that was actually easier than last time. Maybe they're aware and that's why they provide these. No, probably not. I'm pretty sure this is just to help take off your makeup at the end of the night. And I'm pretty sure the problem is me. Let me know down in the comments, guys, if you have Moxie Lashes and you have this issue that I'm having. Okay, we're just gonna go back in with some eyeshadow. That'll correct it. Again, some of that translucent powder. You guys see me breaking out? And then it doesn't help that I'm a picker. Y'all pick y'all face? Cause I am the worst. Like, I can't see something on my face and not go after it. Did that one too. Oh, so bad, so bad. Yeah, anyway, reapply my eyeshadow, which is a very neutral color. And then we're gonna pop on these lashes. I've heard so much good stuff about Moxie Lash. They even have like a line now for like people who are sensitive. And I think it's like some type of, I don't know, gel based liner. It's clear and it's not metallic. I really want to try that. Let me know if you've tried that. They look just as good. So we are about to get into lashes. And just because I typically clip them, I low-key feel like I should clip these, but I'm just not sure. Like, I don't like that these didn't come with tweezers to apply. That bothers me. For a set of lashes that cost like $100 and up, I definitely feel like you should get the bells and whistles. So when you're spending $100 on some lashes, you don't have an applicator. I think that's a little all right, so we're just gonna go in, plop. It does connect really easily. So I do like that actually. And it did it by itself. I didn't really have to do anything to it. Just kind of, that first magnet touched down and then it was like, sure that we're using the shorter lashes on the inner part of the eye. Plop. Also, I encourage you guys to use a mirror. I'm just looking into my phone. And probably not the smartest thing. But I do feel like they turned out okay. Let me look into this mirror. See, and I had a mirror right next to me and I didn't even been looking in it. I think specifically with these, I do maybe need to come in a little further. So I'm gonna pull up and then go back in a little further on the inside of my eye. The liner did not peel, guys. That's really nice because I know with other magnetic liners that I've used, if you pull your lashes up, that magnetic liner is getting stuck to the bottom of your lashes and it's gonna look really bad. Let's see if it does it on this. Oh, that liner again held up very well. Putting it closer to the inner side of the eye. Y'all, I did not have to trim these and I think they look really good. There we go. Okay, just need to push up a bit. But that's crazy, right? So for the fact that they don't have an applicator tool like a tweezer, I hate that, and I should have been a little more prepared. But how easily they went on, and the fact that that liner didn't peel back when I pulled it up, that's massive. Because in the past I've had to take off the whole eye look and then reapply the liner, and it's just a pain in the butt. It's defeating, demoralizing, and you just don't want to put them on. I always jump to mascara after that because I feel defeated. I have to take points off because I don't like the thickness and the formula of their magnetic lash liner. That is not really, I don't know, I just don't like it. They do get points back because they have this cool little thing where you can just, well, I probably should have used a cleaner one, but look at how that's just coming off, right? I mean, none of my other lashes have come with anything like this. And I know sometimes when I am trying to remove the liner, there's like residual liner that's left for sometimes days. So had that been clean, you guys see, it would have absolutely come off. I don't know. I feel personally they're great lashes. They were packaged wonderfully. The fact that they come with this remover is just really, really, really nice. I don't know if I can get over how the application process was for me, but I don't want to take off like, you know, too much from them just because it was probably user error. And the lashes do look really good once they're on. And they pop themselves on basically, like attach and then the rest just fell in place. I didn't have to trim them. So that's really nice. And they're comfortable and lightweight. And they're not too unnatural looking. I don't know, Moxie Lash. I guess I like you. I do. If you have Moxie Lashes, again, let me know down below if there's something that I did wrong. Also, let me know. Give me tips because I want to learn as well. With that being said, guys, I'm out of here. Thank you so much for sticking it out, getting through the end. If you're still here, make sure you share love always. Take care, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, guys.